Here we will see the example of DUP array as well as the size of method. So the program is to output the size of the integer array, character array as well as the DUP array. So here you can see, first of all I'm declaring this or initializing this integer array. This is my variable name, elements, then my string array, and then my these are just two strings to display on the console, that is the size of integer array, size of character array. We have learned already in detail that how we can use these, how we can display these things on the console. So next here we can see our duplicate array. This is my name of the array, this is the byte, this is that 2 times I'm going to initialize with these elements, and the size is 3 cross 2, which is 6. Okay, and here I'm going to display the size of DUP array like this on the screen. So firstly I have to show the size of the integer array. So for that purpose, we have discussed the size of operator, its syntax, that is the integer array's name is what? Data. I am moving the size of data into the EAX. And why EAX? Because whenever I have to display any value, integer value on the screen, for that purpose that value gets stored in the EAX, and that only the call write int is used to display the integer value on the screen, and write int can only deal with the EAX register. So that's why whatever I have to display on the screen, I first have to move it onto the EAX register. After this, we know that I have to display this string as it is on the screen before I actually display the integer value of this size. You can see here I have just moved inside this, but I have not used call write int. Okay, I will use this later on. By the statement I am displaying on by these two statements I am displaying on the screen, that is size of integer array colon, and next by this statement it is displaying me the size of the integer array, that is 5. And then I am using this call crlf, which means to go to the next line, and then I have to use the size of the character array. Here you can see the name of my character array is string. So I'm moving the size of the string. It automatically gets the size of whatever I have written on the string, that is I have written hello world. It will move the size of the string into the EX register. Then again I'm displaying the string as it is on the screen, that is the size of my character array colon, and by these two statements. And then what I am doing over here, like before, what I have done before, I just simply use the call write int on the screen to display on the screen. But this time, before call write int, I am doing this extra thing, that is sub ex1. Why I am doing this? Because the size of the string is what? You can see from here the size of the string is 11. Okay, but if you don't perform this sub ex, 1 instruction, then it will display the size as 1 extra size, that is it will display the size as 12, which is wrong. So it always displays the size of the character array or strings as 1 higher than the actual size. So to accommodate that problem, we always have to subtract 1 from it. After subtracting 1, we get the actual size of the string array. Okay, you can read from the comments as well. So next I am using this data one, that is our, I think, duplicate array, right? I am moving its size into the EX and then displaying the string as it is on the screen, and then displaying the DUP array size on the screen by call write int, that is it displayed the value of the EX register on the screen, and then call read int exit. Okay, so I hope you got the concept that how we actually, you can say that, use this DUP array. The other concept is quite simple. You just have to remember that how we read this instruction. Okay, so I will also run this code in front of you so you can see this better. Here you can see the size of the integer array is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. the size of character array is 11. Okay, this is 11. If I didn't do as sub ex1, then the size would be 12, which is wrong. And the size of our duplicate array is what? You can see 3 cross 2 is 6. So that's it for today. Thank you.